What's up friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to this video. In this video I am going to show you top 5 high ticket program to make money online. If you want to make big money, then you have to promote high ticket programs. I am Raju Bhadra, affiliate marketer of legendary marketer ClickBank, JBJo and many other marketplaces, and I am making $1,000 per month by online marketing, affiliate marketing. So guys, before starting this video, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos, new videos and new updates inside my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, online marketing, and you see here I am uploading videos in the daily basis and a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. Then you can follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn and Twitter. Now I will show you top 5 high ticket program to make money online. And I think if you want to make big money, then you must need to promote high ticket program. And basically online marketing based on high ticket program. Inside high ticket program you can learn online marketing, then you can promote those high ticket program. So high ticket program not only for promoting, you can also learn from high ticket program, and it's the best way to learn online marketing. You can buy a low ticket product, low ticket software, but if you want to long run your online business, long run your online marketing, then high ticket program obviously the best help opportunity to long run your online business. Now I will show you top 5 high ticket program that will help you to make big money from online. So you see here number on Entry Institute. You see here it's Entry Institute, and you see all the products inside this Entry Institute. If you are a member, you are an affiliate of Entry Institute, and if you make any sale under your affiliate, then you will get all the commission, all the high ticket, low ticket, middle ticket, every commission inside this Entry Institute. And you see here all the products inside Entry Institute. Now number 2, the super affiliate. You see here it's the super affiliate. Here's all the product of super affiliate. You see here if you join any member inside the super affiliate network, then all those member, if all those member buy any product inside this super affiliate network, then you will get the commission. So it's another best way to make big money from online. Now see number 3, the 6-figure mentor. You see here it's the six-figure mentor, and it's another high ticket program, and you can make big money using this 6-figure mentor. It's another awesome platform for high ticket program, and you can choose it. Now number 4, ClickFunnels. You see here it's the ClickFunnels and all the products inside ClickFunnels. Here you see, so you can promote any product from here and you can make big money using ClickFunnels. It's another best opportunity to make big money from ClickFunnels, and ClickFunnels is one of the mandatory elements to run online marketing, run online business. So you can easily promote ClickFunnels for making big money. Now the number 5, you see here, it's Legendary Marketer. It's another awesome high ticket program and you can make big money using this Legendary Marketer. And you see all the products inside Legendary Marketer. At first you have to join member inside Legendary Marketer, then if those member buy any product inside Legendary Marketer, then you will get all the high ticket commission from this Legendary Marketer. So guys, it's all those 5 high ticket program to make big money from online. Now if you can ask what's the best, I will say any of these 5 are the best, but I personally promote Legendary Marketer to make big money. You see here. So I personally promote Legendary Marketer. I also promote Entry Institute. I promote ClickFunnels too. You see here. You see here. So there is no best. All those 5 are best. It depends on your traffic. If you have lot of traffic, then you can promote every high ticket program from here, all these 5. And in case of online marketing, traffic is the main part of online marketing, affiliate marketing. So you have to focus on traffic. If you have traffic, then you can promote any high ticket program from here and you can make big money. And I again repeat this, high ticket program not only for promoting and not only for making big money. You can learn from starting to long run your business. So high ticket program uh, can help you to learn online marketing, and the second way you can get more commission, big commission promoting high ticket program. So guys, that's it. If this video help you and if this information help you to make big money online, then like this video and share it for your friends and other people. And if you have any question, then comment in the comment box. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos, new videos and new updates inside my YouTube channel. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. So guys, that's it. Check all these high ticket programs for making big money and learning from online marketing. So guys, that's it. See you soon. Bye. God bless you.